blocks are separated one by one. The drills are only used outside the temple. The work is extremely slow as the vibrations produced by the hammers and saws have to be monitored constantly. The volume of rock dominating the temple is decreasing. Some blocks are now ready to be transported. But now comes a very delicate stage. Some of the rock has to be cut so finely it must be done by hand. It's so fragile it would disintegrate at the slightest contact with water. Every block has to be numbered exactly to be put back in the same place when reconstructing the temples. 1,047 blocks for the monuments, 7,700 blocks of rock surrounding them, each block weighing anything between 20 and 30 tons. In order to transport these huge masses safely, anchorage bars are fixed to them by means of synthetic gum. The biggest blocks are those of the heads of the statues. The engineers wanted to limit the amount of sawing performed on them. They start by covering the surfaces with a plastic layer. From the first incision of the saw, they must continue the work without pausing day and night. At the slightest pause, the rock could disintegrate. At last, the moment the reporters and photographers have been waiting for all night. Ramses' face is amputated. With one last look at the now naked facade, he is transported to the storage area on the platforms, specially constructed for this purpose. The storage area lies near the chosen new site. The position and number of each block is written out, as would happen with a book in a library. During his short stay there, the Pharaoh king can observe the round roofs of the huts of the thousands of workers.